This is Katie at Those Blasted Things, and we are unboxing things today. This one didn't really have a cover, so I already peeked. We have got puzzle boxes. Alright, if you've never seen a puzzle box before, the lid won't come off unless you take out its special piece. Ta-da! Some of these are a little dirty from travel. I'll get them all cleaned up for you before you even see them. We've got here also, so there's some skulls, a birdie, we got a cat, dragonfly, oh, a sleeping cat, there's a fish, a flower, a mother and a baby, a frog, a seahorse, and I don't know, what is that, a giraffe? A giraffe. Thanks for watching.